champ, look at this question. So champ, we have a model, right? We have a model shape and having a scale factor of 1 upon 200. So here the two question arises, and the question are, what is the meaning of scale factor? And second, if the length of this model shape is 1 meter, so what is the length of the actual shape if the scale factor is 1 upon 200? So champ, let's figure it out that how we can relate the scale factor with the actual object size. So champ, welcome to your session, and in this session we will learn about the similarity, the basic, the intro of the similarity, and then we will also see the congruency, the significance of the scale factor also. So let's get started, champ. Let's consider these two figures, champ. So what do you think, champ? These two figures, are they having the same shape or they have the same size? Yes, both the figures have the same shape and same size. Then the champ, the figures which have the same shape and same size are known as the congruent figure, and whereas if there are two figures which have the same shape but not necessarily the same size, okay, so champ, the figures which must have the same shape but size could be different, could be same, are known as the similar figure. Very important definition, and the introduction are very important in these topics. Okay champ, now champ, so here we have seen that if two figures have the same shape and same size, they are congruent and they are similar also. But if the two figures have a different size but the same shape, they will be similar but they won't be congruent. So that we can see that all the congruent figures are similar figure, but vice versa is not true. I hope it is clear. Very important property. So now champ, we know that all these circles are similar. Why so? Because radius could be different, the shape will be circular. All the regular polygons like equilateral triangle, right, squares are similar to each other. Because only the size could be different, the shape will be same. I hope it is clear. Very good. Now champ, let's get to the scale factor. So champ, what do you think that whenever we are making any rockets, right, let's say we want to launch a rocket from Earth to Mars, so what do you think? Are they building these rockets, this 50 to 100 foot high rocket directly? Right? It's a very risky process. So actually what they do, first of all, at the lab scale, they make a very small model. They check all the properties which should be there in the original product, in the original rocket, and after that they scale it. Same here. Look at these two figures. What do you think, champ? Both the figures are similar. Both the figures are similar figure. Answer is yes. And let's say if the height of this Eiffel Tower is 20 centimeter and in this figure the height is 40 centimeter. So champ, we can see the ratio of the height. The ratio of the height of the Eiffel Tower in two different figures is what? 40 upon 20, that means 2/1. And this 2/1, champ, is nothing but the scale factor. This 2/1, this scale factor tells us the comparison between the two figures, two objects. That what is the comparison of their size, also known as the representative fraction. Okay, very good. So now champ, if the scale factor is 2 and if I will multiply the height of this Eiffel Tower by 2, I will get this figure. This clear? Very good, very good. So now champ, in the same case, let's say we have a model car. I hope that you have played with that small car, right? So now champ, that model car and the original car has a scale factor of 1 upon 18, right? Our Earth map, let's say map of the North America and the original North America has the scale factor of 1/3.6 crore. So champ, you can see scale factor determines the comparison between the size of two objects. Okay. Very good. So now in the same example that we have seen in the starting of the class, the lab model, right? The model shape had the length of 1 meter and scale factor was 1 upon 200. If the scale factor was 1 upon 200 and the length of the model shape is 1 meter, the length of the original shape will be 200. Only then the ratio will be 1 upon 200. So now I hope you got the concept that what is the use of the scale factor. Okay, champ, now a question to think about, that what about the angles? We got it, the length are getting twice, depend on the scale factor. But what about the angle? Do the angle are also getting twice? The answer is no. Champ, angle will be equal because they are similar figure. In the similar figure, angle must be equal. Only the height ratio will be proportional. That's it. I hope it is clear. Okay, champ, now let's move on the activity on similarity. So let me show you with the help of one example that what is the actual meaning of similarity. So champ, let's say in a room, we have a light source, we have a cardboard, and we have the floor also. Now, if due to the light, there will be a shadow of the cardboard on the floor. There will be a shadow of the cardboard on the floor. So now champ, between these two figures, okay, let's say the first one cardboard is ABCD and the shadow of that is A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash. So now champ, these two figures will be similar. Yes. If these two figures are similar, then their corresponding angles A and A dash will be equal, B and B dash will be equal, C and C dash and D and D dash will be equal to each other. I hope it is clear. Very good. And all the corresponding side will be in the same proportion. That means AD and A dash D dash are in the proportion, and in the same proportion AB and A dash B dash will be. So all the corresponding sides are in the same proportion. Okay. So now champ, let's see the similarity in the polygon. So champ, let's say we have two figures over here that we have seen in the previous example. Now, if these two figures are similar to each other, then their corresponding angle will be equal. Corresponding angles are equal to each other and corresponding sides will be in the same proportion. That means if AB upon A dash B dash are in the ratio of 1/2, so all the ratio of all the corresponding side will also be the 1/2 only. So two similar figures have the same angle and the sides are in the same proportion. I hope it is clear. Very good. So champ, let's summarize our class. So in this class, we have seen that the figure which has the same shape and same size are known as the congruent figure. But at the same time, if we are not sure about the size, that whether the size is equal or not, but shape is equal, shape is same, then we can say the figures are similar figure. The scale factor is nothing but the ratio of the corresponding sides, right? Then we have seen if two figures are similar figure, then the corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are in the same proportion. So I hope champ, you got all the things. Now please make sure you are practicing also so that the concept will be very clear. Okay champ, so that's all for this class. Stay safe and keep smiling. Bye bye.